Okay guys, I tried making him, but mine absolutely looks suck. That that looks bad, and it probably will not be not okay. So please don't hate, cause I tried my best to make, and I don't really know how to make any of these characters without even trying to. I tried, so please don't hate, because I'm not really good with all these characters that I make. Even with the harder characters, even the old characters, I don't really know, because I'm not really good at it. So please don't hate, if you understand. Because I know all my best friends know that I have, that they care, and know that some of these characters are okay, but hope they hope it's not bad. Because if it is, I don't know. Okay, let's just do this. We'll just get this over with. Glasses, 13. Real hair, 20, 20 21. Huh? 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 Front hair, 79. Mouth, 1068. Shirt, 23. I'm gonna say 31. Come on. Camera focus, you stupid. Oh my god. Sleeves, 20, 24. Belt, 2883. Excuse me, anyway. Pants, 19. Shoes, 7,469. I'm kinda at my limit right now, and I hate it. Jacket, 5. And I think that's it. No. Head AC 1, 3. Shoes, 7,469. Oh, I already did that. Sorry, I just keep forgetting. Gloves, 3. And yeah, that's it. For skin color, pause and copy. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. Pause, copy. Pause, copy. Pause, copy. Pause, copy. And that's it. Please don't hate.